这叫芬太尼。我说芬太尼怎么来的？芬太尼是美国 MIT 实验室出来的，我去过几次那个实验室。这个教授回去了，回去以后，这个小子就给当时的所谓的国安写报告，说芬太尼将是弱化美国和给中国赚来大钱的一个国家战略计划，而且芬太尼能延伸出1000多种毒品。
And in 2022, Weston lost his life, a freshman in high school at the age of 15, from a single pill that took his life. The cartels were allowed to operate on American soil and took hundreds of thousands of American lives. And so we knew there was only one person that could save us from the devastation on our American soil, and that was President Trump. And so in 2024, we did the best thing that we could do to keep America safe again, and we elected President Donald J. Trump. Thank you. Thank you.
This department will not rest until we have ended the fentanyl epidemic in America once and for all. In less than 2 months since I took office, the DEA and FBI have seized nearly 1 million deadly doses of fentanyl, and that's just the beginning.
Sign up for free and be part of the movement.
It isn't just an app. It isn't just a social media platform. It's a community.
Download Get It right now.